What? Hang on. What's this?
A.
A. Good job. What's that?
B.
Good.
A.
What's that?
B.
C.
C.
Yeah. What's this?
B.
No. D.
D.
Yeah. What's this?
K.
What's that one?
B.
Mm-hmm. E.
E.
Yeah.
F.
Good.
D.
Good. G.
S.
H. Good job.
I.
I.
T.
J. Good job.
R.
Do you know this one?
E.
K. Can you say K?
N.
K.
Daddy.
K.
Niddy.
What's this one?
R.
What's that?
L.
L. Good.
M.
M. Good job.
N.
N. Yeah. She says N. What's that?
O.
Good.
D.
What's that one?
B.
P. Good.
Kilo.
Say it again.
Kilo.
Q.
Kilo.
What's that?
R.
R. What's that?
S.
S. Good job.
D.
T.
U.
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 V.
Double D.
W.
X.
X. Good job.
Y.
Y.
S.
Almost.
S.
Z.
C.
Good job! You did all of them!
Celia.
You wanna flip them? Yeah. Yeah. Which one's your favorite? Can you find I? Where's I?
I.
Where is it?
I.
The I is blue. Can you find the blue I? No? That's F.
F.
Where's I?
I.
Yay! Can you find Q?
G.
Good job. Can you find Y?
Y. Y.
Where's Y? Yay! You're so smart. Where's O? Where's O?
O.
No, not real. That's a D. Almost looks the same. Where's O?
O.
The O is red.
O.
You see the red O?
Leo.
Good job! Good job!